Okay, I'm on York Station again and I've decided to have a go at narrating my videos. I've not done this before now because I don't like the sound of my own voice. I've asked other people the same question and they said they don't like their own voices either. My wife says I should give my voice a rest, but there you go. Anyway, let's give it a go and let's see how I get on. I'm now on platform 5 looking across the station, and just before the Edinburgh service, and now arriving on platform 10 blocks our view completely. We can see the nose end of a class 37. The rest is being blocked from view by the unit, which is class 153311, the test unit. I'm hoping that this unit will move at some point today so we can get a closer look at the 37. I've also noted a number of other railway enthusiasts with cameras. That would suggest to me that they're either waiting for the 37 to move out or the unit to move, or there is other charter due in at some point today. It's a Class 153 test unit. It's finally moved from the side of the 37. I believe it's 37218. It's the one what's been converted to run on vegetable oil. Let's have a walk up there and take a closer look. And there she is, 37218, converted to run on vegetable oil. She looks really well there with the backdrop of the York Signalling Centre. I would imagine she sounds a little bit different running on vegetable oil rather than diesel. They've done a lovely paint job with it as well. I'm glad I decided not to go to the Railway Museum. I've just been told we've got a charter coming in shortly, so that'd be interesting. here it is, the charter that everybody's been waiting for, and it's a steam. I'm going to get swamped by the crowd any minute, so I'm going to have a quick look and then over to the other platform to get some footage from that side. And there she goes with her support coach heading towards the Railway Museum, I would imagine to take on water. These steam charters have to run with the support diesel, usually at the other end, so that's where I'm heading now to see what it is, usually a 47. Call perfect timing, 47812, taking the empty coach in stock to Aldgate sidings for the afternoon. I've been told that the steam charter will be back in the station for its return journey, but by then I shall be on my way home.